Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to talk you through the best alternatives to Miro in 2025. If you don't know, Miro is a super popular online whiteboard tool that teams use to brainstorm, plan projects, and work together in real time. It's great, but let's be honest, it's not always the perfect fit for everyone. Maybe you need something that works better with the tools you already use, or maybe you want a simpler platform with fewer features, or even just something that's easier on your budget. Whatever the reason, there are plenty of other options out there. In this video, I'll walk you through 6 of the best Miro alternatives. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one could work best for you. So let's get started. Before we dive into the alternatives, let's take a moment to talk about Miro itself. Miro has completely changed how we work together online. It's like a digital whiteboard where teams can collaborate from anywhere. It comes with an endless canvas, tons of templates, and real-time tools that let everyone work together at the same time. For a lot of teams, it's a go-to tool for things like planning projects, brainstorming ideas, or sketching out designs during virtual meetings. But like any tool, it's not perfect. Some people find it tricky to navigate boards when they get too crowded with info. And while the free version is great, the premium plans can get pricey, especially for bigger teams. Plus, with so many features, it can feel a bit overwhelming if all you need is something simple for quick brainstorming. Because of these challenges, many people are looking for other options that might fit their needs or budget better. Now that we've covered what makes Miro great, and not so great, let's check out the first alternative. First up is Mural, a platform made for creative brainstorming and design thinking. It gives teams a digital workspace that's super easy to use and feels welcoming, so you can dive right in without needing much time to figure it out. What really makes Mural stand out is its focus on tools that help with creative sessions. It has built-in features like timers, voting options, and ready-made brainstorming templates. These tools make it easy to keep meetings on track and productive. This is great for teams that run workshops or brainstorming sessions often, as Mural not only helps spark ideas, but also keeps everything organized. Now, while Mural has plenty of useful features, some of the more advanced ones might take a bit of time to learn. Plus, even though there's a free version, teams looking for more features may need to check the pricing. That said, if you're after a tool that's all about creative collaboration and has a simple, visually appealing interface, Mural is definitely worth checking out. Next up is Microsoft Whiteboard. A great choice if your team already works with Microsoft tools. It's super easy to use and works perfectly with other Microsoft 365 apps like Teams, OneNote, and Office 365. The best part is that you can switch between your whiteboard sessions and other tasks without hassle. This makes it a big win for teams that are used to the Microsoft setup, since it keeps everything running smoothly without having to jump between different apps. Oh, and did I mention that it's free? That makes it an awesome option for startups, small businesses, or schools that want a simple, budget-friendly way to collaborate. Now, it's not packed with all the fancy features you might expect from some visual tools. For example, if you need advanced diagramming or loads of templates, it might feel a bit limited compared to other platforms. But if you're after something simple, easy to use, and that works great with Microsoft products, Microsoft Whiteboard is definitely worth checking out. Now, let's talk about Lucidchart. It's a tool made by the same team that created Lucidchart, and it takes digital whiteboarding to the next level. Lucidchart is all about real-time collaboration, making it super easy for teams to brainstorm together. Everyone can jump in at the same time, adding ideas in a way that feels simple and natural. One of the best parts is that it works seamlessly with Lucidchart. So after a free-form brainstorming session, you can quickly turn your ideas into organized diagrams or flowcharts. This makes it perfect for teams that need to move fast from big picture thinking to detailed plans. Lucidchart also comes with a bunch of templates to help get you started, whether you're planning a marketing campaign, designing a product feature, or just organizing your thoughts. It's pretty easy to use, but to unlock all of its features, you might need a subscription, and some teams might need to consider if that cost fits into their budget. Overall, if you need a tool that's great for fast, collaborative sessions and transitions smoothly into detailed work, Lucidchart is a solid choice and a strong alternative to Miro. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Furthermore, let's talk about ClickUp Whiteboards, a tool that's part of the ClickUp productivity platform. If your team already uses ClickUp for project management, adding whiteboards to your workflow can be a game changer. It combines visual collaboration with task management, so your brainstorming sessions can smoothly turn into project plans and actions. What's great about ClickUp Whiteboards is how easy it is to jot down ideas on a blank canvas and then turn those ideas into tasks, all without leaving the platform. This seamless flow from ideas to execution saves time and makes sure that nothing gets forgotten. Plus, the interface is clean and simple, and there are plenty of templates to customize your boards to fit your needs. That said, all the features ClickUp offers can feel a little overwhelming if you're just looking for a basic whiteboarding tool. But for teams who love ClickUp's all-in-one approach, the whiteboards can really streamline workflows and keep everything in one place. On top of that, the pricing is competitive, so it's a great option for both small teams and bigger organizations looking to simplify their collaboration tools. Next up, let's talk about Whimsical, a great tool for when you need to get your ideas down quickly and easily. It's super simple to use with a clean design that keeps things clutter-free. Whether you're making a mind map, a flowchart, or even wireframes, Whimsical gives you everything you need to bring your ideas to life without getting in the way. One of the best things about Whimsical is how versatile it is. It's intuitive, so you can jump right in and start working, and it also has real-time collaboration features, which means your team can join in no matter where they are. Sure, it might not have as many features as some of the other tools, but that's kind of the point. Whimsical focuses on keeping things simple and fast, which is perfect for teams that just want to get things done. The pricing is great too. There's a free plan that lets you try most of what it offers before deciding if you need to upgrade. So, if you're tired of complicated tools and just want something straightforward to organize your ideas, Whimsical is definitely worth checking out. Finally, we have FigJam, a new favorite platform among design and creative teams. It's a digital whiteboard tool made by Figma, and it works perfectly with Figma's design platform. This makes it super easy to move between brainstorming ideas and working on detailed designs. With FigJam, you get a simple, collaborative space where teams can sketch ideas, draw quick diagrams, and add notes on the spot. One of its coolest features is how interactive it is. You can use sticky notes, draw freehand, and even add fun touches like emojis and stickers. This makes brainstorming more exciting and less formal, helping teams feel more creative and open to sharing ideas. FigJam also comes with ready-to-use templates for things like agile planning or design sprints, so it fits into different kinds of workflows. While it's great for teams already using Figma, anyone can learn it easily because it's so simple to use. It's also affordable and focused on making collaboration easy and fun. For teams that care about design and creativity, FigJam is quickly becoming a popular alternative to Miro. Let's take a moment to talk about Miro itself. Miro has completely changed how we work together online. It's like a digital whiteboard where teams can collaborate from anywhere. It comes with an endless canvas, tons of templates, and real-time tools that let everyone work together at the same time. For a lot of teams, it's a go-to tool for things like planning projects, brainstorming ideas, or sketching out designs during virtual meetings. But, like any tool, it's not perfect. Some people find it tricky to navigate boards when they get too crowded with info, and while the free version is great, the premium plans can get pricey, especially for bigger teams. Plus, with so many features, it can feel a bit overwhelming if all you need is something simple for quick brainstorming. Because of these challenges, many people are looking for other options that might fit their needs or budget better. So, there you have it. 6 great alternatives to Miro. Each of these tools has its strengths, so the best one really depends on your team's needs and how you like to work. I hope this video helped you discover some solid Miro alternatives. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more reviews on the best tech tools out there. If you have any questions, comments, or a favorite tool I missed, feel free to share them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.